I've compiled a compilation of the most insane tornado videos, and in today's video, we will be reacting to them. Without further ado, grab your snacks, and let's get straight into it. Credits to Calamity TOR for this playlist here, by the way. Go check them out. They are the ones who made the playlist that I'm watching the videos from, so yeah, check them out. Alright, so first up we have a video made by
Holy moly. Alright.
Mark Wells.
Holy shit.
So it looks like this is a EF4, EF5 tornado. Jeez, they got a huge 3-ball. They gotta go hard.
Wow.
Yeah, whenever there's a tornado, always
Holy
go to the
moly.
lowest point in your house, like your basement. Or if you have a front sector, that would be better.
Oh my god.
I think he's going out now.
Our house
Oh god.
is freaking destroyed, Josie.
Damn. Yeah, that's definitely like EF3,
Oh my
EF2
god.
damage there. If it does actually hit the house, that is.
Where's Autumn?
Even if you think the tornado's gone, still don't go out there.
I've never seen anything like it.
You still want to wait as long as
Oh
possible.
shit. I don't know. Let's go. We gotta see if anybody else's house is up, Josie. Come on. Hang on a second.
God, you can see the installation and everything.
Jesus
Look at that.
I'm in shock. I can't believe this happened. Oh my
Yeah,
god,
definitely
Josie.
EF3 or
The
EF4
neighbors' houses are
damage.
gone. God damn, I hope
think
nobody's
that
hurt.
it's out now.
Autumn, stay there.
No, not EF4. The house would be gone if that was EF4.
Come on, Josie, let's get out of here. The tornado's passed. We gotta get out of here and get to... Josie, come on now. I know it's scary. Come on now.
God, it's all...
And watch the nails. That's fine.
Okay, they're doing it, man.
Josie.
Oh my god. Oh god.
Holy shit. Josie, we gotta get out of here outside where it's safe, where the structure falls. That's
Set of
alright.
stairs out there or something, is it?
Fuck, there's a car right there. Right there.
Oh my god!
Yeah, I'm gonna say EF3
Alright, let's
damage.
go. We gotta get to the neighbors.
Alright, next up we got the Xena, I think that's how it's pronounced, the Xena, Ohio tornado of 1974, uploaded by Jacob Lenhoff. So let's watch this one. April 3rd, 1974. Okay, so the video is made by someone named Bruce Boyd. Alright, yeah, so already I can tell this is a older video. Right now, it looks like it's only in, like, medium stage. It don't look like it's causing too much damage, or it don't look like there's too much of a debris wall. Might be in a field. I just see some horizontal. Oh yeah, it's a multi-vortex. Holy crap. Oh my god. That is a beautiful shot of a multi-vortex tornado. If you guys don't know what a multi-vortex tornado is, it's a tornado that has multiple vortices in it. So a bunch of tornadoes in one. Yeah, the tornado definitely looks like it's getting stronger and closer to him. At this point, it's definitely hiding. I don't know if this is the same tornado or not. I don't know. Looks like an EF4 or EF5. But I mean, hey, El Reno was big, but it was only an EF3, so. Yeah, that was a really cool video. I like the multiple vortices. That was cool. Alright, next up we have Calamity. Video upload by Calamity Tour, the person who made the playlist. Weather channel El Reno tornado, first person POV of tornado lifting apart. And it had a lot of multiple voices in it, as you can see.
Everybody duck, go.
So they were intercepting it.
Keep going if you can. Everybody duck down. Everybody duck down.
Oh, and with it. Yeah, unless you have a tornado intercepting vehicle, you shouldn't do that. Oh my god, you just saw roll away. Damn. Alright, yeah. Alright, next we have a video by Chris Lancaster. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. Washington, Illinois tornado, November 17th, 2013. So, that's this one.
Get in that house! Now! Liberty! Come on, Liv! Come on!
Get in the house!
She's scared. Come on!
Get her in the basement and kennel them.
Now, Lisa!
Looks like a decently sized tornado. Probably like an EF3 or EF4. I can't really tell though right now because I can't really see much of the debris ball. Definitely a very powerful tornado. Oh, look at that horizontal vortex. Oh, I can see the
Give me
debris
a lighter,
ball.
Mandy, hurry. Take this.
Yeah, that's
fella,
coming
hurry.
towards them. So,
Chris,
if a tornado doesn't
it's
look like
coming
it's moving,
toward
guys,
us.
it means it's
I'm
coming
going with my
towards
baby.
you.
Go with the babies.
Just to let you know.
Go.
My babies.
Go.
I am.
Leave that door so I can get in. Leave that door so I can get
You're
in.
calling him though, telling them to get in. He should go indoors himself. God, that's a giant tornado. That's at least like a mile wide.
Oh my God! Holy shit! Look at this, bud. You ready to run with me, okay?
Yeah, no, at this point
You ready
he
to run
should
with me,
definitely
buddy?
be going inside. It's coming way close to him.
Fucking shit! Look at all the roof shit, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna say an EF4. Looks like an EF4. I really hope it's going in.
Woo!
Oh my god, look at all that debris. I can't help but think about the White House that's in front of him there. Like, what's that going to look after? Like, does he show the aftermath?
My turn.
Alright, yeah. So he should definitely go in. This is a roaring up. It's like running now or something.
Chris,
Hey.
come on.
Stay. Stay.
Come on, man.
Chris, we're okay.
Right in the face.
Come on, guys. It's okay. You guys just stay. Just stay.
The fact
Come
she's
on.
saying like, oh,
It don't matter, just
stay,
let her
you
scream.
cannot move. That's
You guys
eerie. I
cannot
don't
move.
like that.
Oh, my back.
Really
She's
eerie.
under these girls. I got hit with something in the fucking back. What happened, Chris?
Damn.
Chris, you get hit
Alright,
with.
on to the next.
Oh no.
Alright. This video is the Columbus, Nebraska tornado from
just sitting there.
May 23rd, 1998. So I'm pretty sure, if I'm not wrong, this is an EF2
Hope we got
tornado,
insurance paid up, dear.
from what I remember. An EF2 or EF3.
There's some damn big hailstorms coming down.
You don't say.
Come on, Andy.
Whoa. That is definitely. No,
Huh?
that's their tornado ways.
Oh, yeah, so that's a multiple vortices
Shit.
tornado again. pretty sure it has some
Oh,
horizontal
boy.
vortices too. Beautiful tornado though.
Seems like it's just sitting there.
Coming right towards you, pal. Look at a wall cloud in that window.
It ain't. See this thing.
Like I said, it might look like it. It's not sitting there though.
Awful damn windy.
Beautiful. Absolute beautiful tornado. Look at that. You see some multi-vortex vortices.
Oh, went up in the clouds.
Look at
How are you,
that.
Susan?
Right in here. I told you it's not over.
Well,
Look at that.
there's a tornado. Right
my
over the
God.
damn top.
Right above him. It's
Right there it is.
what's it called?
That's hitting the neighbors.
Deforming. I can't remember the word, but the tornado's aiming right above your head.
This is a bad thing.
Yeah, it's roping out now. Beautiful.
2-minute warning. Yep, looks like it's
Beautiful
going
video.
again.
Alright, this video is called The Official Henryville Tornado, shot by Rhett Adams, and it was uploaded by Rhett Adams. So, let's watch it.
Shit!
They off the bat, geez, it's really up.
That's the most insane thing I've ever seen in my fucking life.
Suppose it is. That is moving really fast. That's like at least like that's not that far away from me at all. Holy.
Oh my.
Oh, there goes the
Holy
tree. Holy
shit.
crap. I think that's some strong winds.
Oh my fucking gosh, dude, that's insane.
EF4. EF4 for sure.
Look at the fucking shade, man. Oh my gosh.
Look at that. Crazy. Surprised the power line never fell. Alright, next up we got a video by the one and only Pepso Hank. That's what I used to call him, at least. He's the guy who got me into tornadoes. I saw one of his videos once on my For You feed when I was younger, and I instantly loved tornadoes. So, I'm not sure if I saw this video before, but yeah, this guy's a legend. Go subscribe to him for me, please. Yeah. So the video's called Close Tornado Tears Through Town. Midland, Oklahoma. 4th month, January, February, March, April. April 22nd, 2020. So let's watch. There it goes. Oh, look at the roof. Don't look at it, it's gone. Look at that. Holy. Okay, yeah, I think, never mind. I know what brand it is. Look at that.
Ready, Dan?
But honestly, not gonna lie, the tornado is not that bad, but because that building isn't like completely destroyed, just the roof's gone off of it.
What's going on?
Probably like an EF2, EF1 maybe. Still though, it always should be taken seriously, but he's a professional, he knows what he's at.
Might be as far as I can go.
Look at a little rainbow.
Wow. Okay.
Wow. Beautiful. I think it's going back up now, or trying to. It's either trying to go back down or trying to go back up. It's getting a little bit of both. Beautiful.